In this lesson, we're stepping into the exciting world of front-end frameworks. So let's begin with a question. What are JavaScript frameworks? Imagine you're building a house. You could start from scratch, lay every brick, wire every light, install every pipe. Or you could use a ready-made blueprint with structures and systems already in place. JavaScript frameworks work the same way. They provide a pre-built structure and set of tools for developing web applications faster, more efficiently, and with best practices already built in. Instead of writing everything from the ground up, frameworks allow you to focus on your app's logic and features, while they handle the heavy lifting, like updating the user interface, managing data flow, and routing between pages. Let's look at some of the most popular JavaScript frameworks and libraries. React, Vue, and Angular. First, React. React is a JavaScript library developed by Facebook. It's used for building fast, interactive user interfaces, especially single-page applications. React is component-based, which means you build your UI using reusable pieces of code called components. It uses something called the virtual DOM, which makes updates really fast and efficient. React has a massive community, lots of job opportunities, and is great for both small and large-scale projects. Next, Vue.js. Vue is a progressive JavaScript framework that's super beginner-friendly. It's known for being lightweight, simple to integrate, and easy to learn. Vue also uses a component-based approach similar to React, and it offers powerful tools like reactive data binding and built-in animations. It's perfect for both quick prototypes and full-scale applications. And then we have Angular. Angular is a full-fledged framework developed by Google. It comes with everything out of the box: routing, state management, form validation, and more. It uses TypeScript by default and follows a more opinionated and structured approach. Angular is great for enterprise-level applications, where scalability and maintainability are key. Now the big question is, when should you use a framework? If your project is simple, like a static website or a basic form, you might not need a framework at all. Vanilla JavaScript, HTML, and CSS can get the job done. But if your project has multiple interactive components, dynamic data updates, complex state management, or needs to scale over time, then using a framework can save you time, reduce bugs, and make your code more organized. Choosing the right framework depends on your needs. React is great for flexibility and large communities. Vue is ideal for simplicity and ease of learning. Angular offers a powerful all-in-one solution for complex applications. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep learning together. See you in the next one.